Well, hello everybody. It's our last session today. I'm very honored here with our Hong Kong local hero, Robert Wun.
Would suits me better. So then suddenly I just, ending up there. And I think the collection Fear, which is our debut collection, it really just came from that drastic change of a moment like you first described. I've been in London for so many years doing my brand. I never really got any structure, support, or attention. Been just really blindly believing in my passion and my faith and doing what I love to do. I want to do something that kind of captured the moment of how I felt, and I think there was a very strong sense for me to feel if I am to do something in the couture calendar where brands and also these phenomenal heritage houses have been doing something that is already capturing the essence of what couture is so beautifully. Me as a newcomer needs to be able to offer something different that gives it some meaning, right? Or else, what's the point of having another brand joining Couture Week that is doing the most beautiful flower embroidery and telling you how many hours that is taken, Like those things are very important, but I don't think it should be the main focus. So I kind of lead with emotion, so that anxiety and the anticipation turns into fear, and I was imagining what is the worst thing that can happen to the most well-crafted, expensive garment, which is like wine stain on top of it, or you get dirt on top of it, and how we turn those elements into craftsmanship itself. So that's where the fear concept comes in. Yeah.
But does those, like in 1,000 scenarios, they'll just come on a whim, or you actually watch lots of film and research all the scenarios?
Yeah, but that's kind of always the core thing of me. I always enjoy movie. I love the cinematic world. It's always a dream, I don't think it's possible, but always felt like it's a dream to be a director, because you're kind of like a movie director. You're creating a world where people can escape in that 2-3 hours of their time. Like nothing is a higher form of craftsmanship and imagination and creative field than to create that world where you involve everyone from acting, from lighting to art direction to makeup, hair, and costume, just to create that world that tells a story that people still somehow can relate to in their everyday life. But that 2-3 hours, they manage to forget about reality, and I think that is a very beautiful way. And what I've learned from Hong Kong as well is to be the best of what you do, not just to be the best Asian you do in the field. So I think that's also one thing I've learned from this amazing city. So
well, thank you all.
Thank you.